Are you at a hotel?
Yes, I am here.
Is the hotel nice?
Yes, very nice.
Is the lobby big?
Yes, very big.
Is it clean?
Yes, very clean.
Do you have a booking?
Yes, I do.
Did you book online?
Yes, I did.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, right here.
Is reception open?
Yes, it is.
Where is reception?
It is right there.
Is the staff friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Do you have a room?
Yes, room 6.
Is it a good room?
Yes, very good.
Is the room big?
Yes, quite big.
Is it clean?
Yes, spotless clean.
Do you have a key?
Yes, a key card.
Is the key card ready?
Yes, it is.
Where is the elevator?
It is over there.
Is the elevator fast?
Yes, very fast.
What floor are you on?
I am on 6.
Is 6 a good floor?
Yes, I like it.
Do you have a suitcase?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Is it heavy?
No, not heavy.
Do you have a backpack?
Yes, on my back.
Is your room booked?
Yes, for 3 nights.
How many nights?
3 nights total.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
What time is breakfast?
At 7 in morning.
Is the food good?
Yes, very good.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
Is Wi-Fi fast?
Yes, very fast.
What is the password?
It is at reception.
Is the hotel quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Do you have a bathroom?
Yes, a nice one.
Is there hot water?
Yes, always hot.
Do you have towels?
Yes, clean towels.
Is the bed soft?
Yes, very soft.
Do you have a pillow?
Yes, 2 pillows.
Is the room warm?
Yes, just right.
Do you have air conditioning?
Yes, I do.
Is there a window?
Yes, a big one.
What is the view?
A beautiful city view.
Is the city beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful.
Do you have a TV?
Yes, a big TV.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in evenings.
Is there a safe?
Yes, in the room.
Is your money safe?
Yes, in the safe.
Do you need room service?
No, not now.
Is there a restaurant?
Yes, on first floor.
Is it open now?
Yes, it is open.
Do you feel hungry?
Yes, a little hungry.
Will you eat there?
Yes, I will.
Is the menu good?
Yes, many choices.
Do you need a map?
Yes, of the city.
Is the city far?
No, very close.
Will you explore today?
Yes, after lunch.
Do you have a plan?
Yes, a simple plan.
Is it a good plan?
Yes, very good.
Do you need a taxi?
No, I will walk.
Is walking safe here?
Yes, very safe.
Is the weather good?
Yes, sunny and warm.
Do you have sunscreen?
Yes, in my bag.
Do you have a camera?
Yes, my phone camera.
Will you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Do you like this hotel?
Yes, I love it.
Is it expensive?
No, good price.
Is the price fair?
Yes, very fair.
Did you pay already?
Yes, I paid online.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Is checkout tomorrow?
No, in 2 days.
What time is checkout?
At 11 in morning.
Will you be ready?
Yes, of course.
Do you need a wake-up call?
Yes, at 7, please.
Is the staff helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you need anything else?
No, I am fine.
Are you happy here?
Yes, very happy.
Is this a good trip?
Yes, the best trip.
Will you come back?
Yes, definitely yes.
Do you recommend this hotel?
Yes, absolutely recommend it.
Is traveling fun?
Yes, very fun.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I love traveling.
Are you comfortable now?
Yes, totally comfortable.
Will you sleep well?
Yes, I think so.
Do you feel safe?
Yes, very safe.
Is your friend here too?
Yes, next room.
Is he happy too?
Yes, very happy.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, so much.
Are you tired now?
Yes, a little tired.
Will you rest now?
Yes, good night.